In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit markup in Bluebeam. By the end, you'll know exactly how to adjust the look and placement of your annotations, so your PDFs communicate clearly and professionally. First, open your PDF in Bluebeam Revu. Once it loads, you're working on top of the document with markups, things like text boxes, callouts, clouds, lines, and highlights, so you can refine the annotations without changing the original content of the PDF itself. Next, select the markup you want to edit. Click directly on it in the document. You'll know it's selected when you see small handles around it and a visible bounding box. If there are multiple overlapping markups, click carefully until you have the one you want, or drag a small selection box to isolate it. You can also verify your selection by glancing at the markups list, which shows details for items on the page. With the markup selected, use the Properties panel to change its appearance or content. The Properties panel typically appears on the right side of the interface. When your markup is selected, you'll see options to adjust color, line style, line weight, and opacity. For shapes and clouds, you can modify both the border and the fill color, as well as any dash patterns. For text-based markups like callouts or text boxes, you can change the font, size, color, alignment, and if needed, the actual text itself. To edit the text content, double-click inside the markup and type. When you're done, click away to exit text editing. Keep an eye on the preview in the panel so you can see how your choices affect the markup before moving on. If you need to reposition or scale the markup, click and drag to move it, or use the corner and side handles to resize. Drag from a corner for proportional adjustments and from a side to stretch in one direction. If precision matters, snap settings will help the markup align with nearby elements, and holding the Shift key while resizing can help maintain proportions on certain markup types. As you move or resize, aim for clear, readable placement that doesn't obscure important document content. When you're satisfied, release the mouse to apply the change. Most edits apply immediately, so a quick click away from the markup confirms the update. If something doesn't look right, press Ctrl+Z to undo and try again. Repeat this process for any other markups you want to refine, and continue until your document looks clean, consistent, and easy to read. That's all there is to it. Open the PDF, select the markup, adjust it in the Properties panel, move or resize if needed, and apply your changes.